Number 9 name expression. A 9 expression is the total of all other numbers. Therefore, you have the same qualities with which to develop into a far better person. You can achieve whatever is in your heart because all the powers to command are at your disposal. Goodwill toward others is extremely important to you. Be careful not to be too critical. Your gift of words can get you into trouble. Set your goal and never swerve from it, no matter what the obstacles might be. See as much of the world as possible, making a point of delving into the soul of everyone you meet, wherever you go. This is necessary to build your understanding of the universe that is yours according to the express destiny of your name. Love, sympathy, and tolerance highlight your character, precluding the jealousy, envy, or condemnation that hinders the personal progress of some of the other numbers that comprise your total expression. This combination of expressions gives you the built-in power to overcome all the negative traits of this conglomerate. Love is the important key to your happiness, love of humanity and God. This love will surround you to such an extent, filling your life and soul, that unhappiness, loneliness, and earthly upheavals will never affect you. It enables you to face all tests and sacrifices with an additional outpouring of effort and optimism. Disregard the positive aspect of this love or your destined role in life, and you will bring upon yourself all the unhappiness, failure, and disappointments the negative 9 projects. There is no need to worry too much on this score, however, because your positive nature is predominant and your life should be one of great happiness and success if you choose to make it so. The tendency to give too much of yourself or your possessions is strong. Learn to show others how to find the happiness for which they come to you. Conserve your own resource for the time when you need them. Take care of yourself in the best possible way and don't spread your energies too thin. Your service to humanity will bring you everything your hearts desire: money, love, success, and good health. You will need all the energy you can manage in order to enjoy them to the fullest. Fame is far more important to you than the material possessions, which really aren't too tempting at all. You would rather be well known for some accomplishment than for your wealth. Words and the media with which to express them are your avenue to this fame. Being in the public eye is food for your soul, and you are at your best before an audience. Cosmopolitan cities of the world are your stage. No country living for you, unless it is the most elegant nature. Luckily, your destiny provides you with the wherewithal to attain and manage center stage. Accept it. Do your best. Enjoy it.